Okay, so here we are. We're in the Google Sites page editor at the moment. And I'm just going to go through a few steps that are involved in creating a new page. And I'm going to cut some information out of my home page, put it into the new page. And I'm also going to create a button link, as you can see here, for the More Pugs button. So I've already, if we go over on the right-hand side to where it says pages, I've already created a page for pugs. And that button here will link from the home page to the pugs page. So if I go up here to the preview, Dogs of the World, and then I go down to More on Pugs, it's going to open up in a new page with information about pugs. So I'm just going to close that preview and I'll show you how to do it. So I'll make sure that I'm on the right page to start with. I'll go back to my home page and I'll go down to Labrador and I click roughly around, I'll just make my mouse pointer a bit more distinctive. If I click roughly here in this left-hand corner, it's going to select this whole section. And I want to cut this section out of the home page and put it onto a brand new page called Labradors. So before I do that, I'm just going to click on the plus down here for new page. I'm going to call it Labradors. And I call done. And it's going to automatically open up in Labradors, a new page with this title, but I want to change the header type. So I'm just going to make it into a banner rather than a large banner. That's all good now. I don't have to do anything with this page at the moment. So I go back to my home page at the top, go down to the information on Labradors here, select the whole section. So the whole section means all this blue rectangle. So you've got the image, you've got the title, you've got the text. And on the keyboard, so my keyboard, I'm using Windows 10, so it's Control X. If you've got a Mac, it's Command X. And that's going to cut that section from my home page. All I have to do now is go over on the right-hand side to Labradors. And on my keyboard, I'm going to press Control V to paste, and it's in there. Now, the other thing that I probably might want to do here is up here in the header, I'm going to change the image and I'm going to do a select image. And I'm going to go for, no. Hang on. Let me change image. Is it going to let me select an image from, by URL? What we on is search. Here we are. So I'm going to put in brown Labrador. Find a suitable image of a brown Labrador. Here's the original, the one I had from before. It's going to pop it in there. And so the next step now is to create a button that'll link from the home page here to the Labrador page. So to do that, I might just copy this existing, I can copy the existing button, but I'll show you how to do it from scratch. So I go up to Insert here in the Elements area, click on Button. I'm going to give it a name, More on Labradors. And when I move down to link, you can see I can click on Labradors, Insert, and I need to get rid of that text here that says Labrador. So I just click in there, click Remove, and then just drag and drop this button up under here. So it's looking good so far. I can go up to the preview, test it out. So this is my home page. I can click more on Labradors and it opens up on the Labradors page. You can also see at the top of the page that the menu shows the rest of the pages as well up here. Now, if I want, I can click on the page. I can go to the pages section, click on the more button here, there's 3 dots, and I can click on hide from navigation. And you see that Labradors doesn't show up here, but it will still show up as a button down here. So it's up to you what you like, whether you'd like to have Labradors showing up in navigation. So that means it would show up here at the top and also down here in the button that we added. And then to complete this page, all I would have to do is repeat this process for the Beagle, for the Dalmatian. So I hope this little video has been helpful. Bye for now.